So I think, Mr. Red, if everybody could get a copy, it'd probably be pretty good. I just asked the staff to put them in the pigeonholes when they're done. Thank you. It's an important document. So we'll move to agenda item number 3, which is confirmation of the council minutes held on the 26th of July 2011. They take you to page 3 of 7. So are there any amendments to the minutes before I call for a mover, as they've been recorded? If there are no amendments, I would call for a mover and a seconder, please. Move, Councillor Truman. Seconder, Councillor Downard. All in favour?
Aye.
Any matters arising or discussion that anybody would like to bring up pertaining to those minutes? Councillor Williams?
Yes, Your Worship. Has it been decided who shall represent the council with respect to a councillor and a council officer at the WRC meetings? It was number 8 on the agenda, on the submission.
Ms. Williams? Oh, he's Mr. Williams. You're Miss McLeod.
Mr. Chairman, no, it hasn't been finally decided yet, but we do have some time before that occurs. So
It's a work in progress.
yes.
Any further matters arising from these minutes? There being none, all those in favour? Okay, moving to agenda item number 4. We can only move part 1 of the suggested resolution here, i.e. receive the minutes.